Now we will do an exercise where either you insert articles or omit articles in the sentence. Okay, so I'll write the sentence. Tell me whether we need to take away or put in. It's a very nice exercise. Insert or omit. Insert or omit articles where necessary. So either we are going to insert or omit articles where necessary. Okay, now let's see. The first sentence I have here for you is, where there is will, there is way. Where there is will. Where there is will. There is way. Now we will do inserting, omitting as we go along. Okay, now let's read this. Where there is will, there is way. Here what are we going to do? We need to insert. Where there is a will, there is a way. So we are doing insertion here. So now we'll insert some articles here. Let's do it. Where. Where there is a will. So what are we putting in? Article A. Where there is a will, there is a way. Where there is a will, there is a way. Now you saw? We learned to insert. Now, another sentence I have here is, he is Solomon. He is Solomon of his age. Of his age. Okay, now look at it. Read it loud. He is Solomon of his age. So what would be the answer? He is the Solomon of his age. Very good. So the answer is, he is the Solomon of his age. He is the. We are inserting article the. He is the Solomon. Very good. He is the Solomon of his age. Very good. Now, I'll give you another sentence. The wisdom is the gift. Is the gift. The wisdom is the gift of heaven. Tell me, omission, insertion, what is it? Now, we do not say the wisdom. So simply say wisdom, isn't it? So the answer is wisdom. Wisdom is, you won't say the gift, a gift. So wisdom is a gift. A gift. Wisdom is a gift of heaven. A gift of heaven. A wisdom. Wisdom is a gift of heaven. The next one, fourth one, I'll give you another sentence. The gold is precious metal. The gold. The gold is precious metal. Gold is precious metal. Now, what will you take out? You won't say the gold. So you will say gold is a precious metal. You will say answer is gold is. You don't say the gold is a precious. Okay? A precious metal. Metal. So we have done 4. One more we'll do. Okay. Now, the man is mortal. The man. The man is mortal. So the answer is simply man is mortal. That's all. So simply man is, answer is, you do not write the man, man is mortal. So in some places we omitted, some places we inserted articles. First one, where there is a will, there is a way. We insert an article. Solomon is, he is the Solomon, not Solomon, the Solomon of his age. Then we don't say the wisdom, wisdom. Wisdom is a gift of heaven. We don't say the gold, gold is a precious metal. We don't say the man, we say man is mortal. So we have done 5, inserting, omitting. We will do few more for us to understand articles better. Few more sentences where we can insert or omit articles wherever necessary. Okay? 6th one. Sun rises in east. Sun rises in east. So what will be the answer? The sun, very good. The sun rises in the east. So we have to insert the. That will be the sun rises in, again we'll insert the east. The sun rises in the east. All right, very good. Next. Fiji is island in Pacific Ocean. Fiji is island. Fiji is island in Pacific Ocean. So what will be the answer? You will say the Fiji is an island in the Pacific Ocean. So what will be the answer? The, you have to insert the Fiji, is one of its kind. So the Fiji is an island. An island in the Pacific. In the Pacific Ocean. In the Pacific Ocean. Ocean. See what we have done? The sun rises in the east. The Fiji is an island in the Pacific Ocean. Next one. Bird. Bird. Bird in hand. Bird in hand. Bird in hand is worth. Is worth. Bird in hand is worth two in bush. Two in bush. So what is the answer? You will say bird in hand. A bird in hand is worth two in a bush. A bird in hand is worth two in a bush. So it will be a bird. A bird. A bird in hand. In hand is worth two in a bush. Two in a bush. So we learn to insert. A bird in hand is two in a bush. Okay, another one. Now another one. The honesty is best policy. The honesty is best policy. Now, what is right, what is wrong? What will you say? You won't say the honesty, you'll say honesty is the best policy. So the answer is honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Okay? Best. Okay. We need to do one more. Okay. What beautiful scene this is. So now, what will you say? What beautiful scene is this? You will say, what a beautiful scene this is. What a. What? You will insert article a. What a beautiful. What a beautiful scene. What a beautiful scene this is! Exclamatory mark. Okay, so we learned to omit, we learned to insert articles. First one, the sun rises in the east. The Fiji is an island in the Pacific Ocean. A bird in hand is worth two in a bush. Honesty is the best policy. What a beautiful scene this is!